Be kind, it says on the side there, that's nice. It is a really hot day though now. Woo. Maybe that's why it's quite quiet, I've got the whole thing to myself. Here we go, Megablitz. Woohoo! Hey! Oh! Oh, it's intense, Helix! Helix! That's a great ride, really good. €3, you can stay in your seat and ride again, not bad, double ride deal. Thanks for riding.